Hi everyone. So today I'm going to unbox a new Amazon Echo Dot. I've already opened it before and done the setup to make this video fast, but this is the least amount model, which comes at around 3,999, around 4,000. They have slashed the price recently, and in India, in US and China, the price is lesser. This Echo Dot is basically a smart speaker, and this is a concept that has been introduced by Amazon. Even Microsoft has a similar product, and it does mention in the box that it's Alexa. So basically, that's the name by which you basically power on the system to listen to your command. It has a Bluetooth feature, it has a Wi-Fi, and it also has our audio line out. So it means that this output can be put into any other external speaker. So this is the product. It looks niche, it looks good. It's quite heavy, and that means that obviously the speaker system is good, the sound quality is good. And if we just see, the box is very simple. It basically comes with a normal manual. It has some instructions on what are the operating buttons, and apart from that, two power plugs, so we can see that directly. And apart from that, we do have some commands which you can actually talk to Alexa with. So we basically have this. So there are basically four buttons. So this is a volume up, volume down, and volume up. This is basically the main button. Basically, it will allow you to connect to Wi-Fi and so on. And this is basically the mic off button. It basically has got four mics, so that Alexa can listen to you from any corner of your room. It basically has got two ports. One is a power cord. It needs a power cord. It doesn't run on a battery. And it also has a 3.5 mm jack input, so that can be taken as given as an output to any box. Apart from that, we have a plug, and I was happy to see that this actually needs a lot of juice. It's basically a 15-watt plug. Usually we're using a 5-watt plug, but we have a 15-watt plug here. So this is the device, and it basically connects to the Amazon cloud, and basically works on the internet. I have already done the internet setup, and let's see how this actually functions, so that we can just listen to some of the commands. So basically I have connected it. I just put it on and plug it on. So as soon as I plug it on, you can see a nice colored ring which comes out. Looks nice. And after you've done the Wi-Fi setup with this, using a phone or your laptop, you have to remember that you have to connect this Wi-Fi with your laptop. So it's better you connect it with a LAN cable. Your laptop has an internet, and this will connect with your laptop via Wi-Fi, because a single Wi-Fi connection cannot take two inputs. So I've done that, and it basically connects. Now it is connected as the light switches off. Let's try out some command. Alexa, so as soon as I say Alexa, it wakes up, and then I can ask whatever I need. So I can say, Alexa, play me some news. So it'll listen, and then it'll basically play the news. It has to be connected to the internet. That's important. And you need to have a good internet connection. If the connection is a bit slow, it'll basically take some time. Alexa, how are you? So you can see that
I'm feeling really groovy. Got some rhymes flowing through me.
Okay, so she says something, so I can just volume up. So we can do that, and we can play some music. Alexa, play some songs.
Hindi chart busters from Savan.
So Savan has been fed into the Alexa app, and then I can play songs from Savan. So basically, if the net speed is okay, it starts playing immediately, else it may take some time. But we can also do the volume up and volume down. So let's see if the music starts. This is good. You don't need to use
Resolving.
any buttons. You don't need to press anything. You just do it everything on a voice command. So you can say it's basically playing the music. So I can basically make the volume up, and the quality is really good. Alexa, volume 5. So the volume goes up, and the internet connection is kind of patchy, so basically it's taking a slightly time. So but it will eventually. So you can say, Alexa, next song. So I do the next song, and it will basically send the command, and then it will play the next song. So that's the next song we have. It has a volume maximum from 1 to 10. I can do that. I can also use some calls, and I can also listen to the weather. So I can stop the music. Alexa, stop. And you can also think about some questions which you can want to ask Alexa. Alexa, how many days are there in a year? So it does a cloud search again, and then it'll basically answer your question. And let me just make the volume up. Alexa, volume 10. Okay, so the volume is maximum 10, and then it will answer your question.
1 year equals 365.24 days.
So it's like it's smart, really smart, because it basically connects to the internet. Setting it up is not very difficult. We can do a lot of things, like we can ask for the weather, and we can also listen to news. We can make calls, but if you want to make calls, you need to have the Alexa app. One of the drawbacks that I faced was installing the Alexa app. The latest version is not very stable, but the old versions are working fine. So it works good. And if you want to listen to music and all, it's fine. So it's the lowest amount available for Alexa. The amount goes till 15,000, and there is also something which is called the Eco Spot, where there is a small camera. You can even do video calling. And that's not all. You can actually give command to Alexa from anywhere in your location. You can have a smart bulb connected in your room, and you can talk to Alexa and say that please switch off the light, and so on. So let's see something else. Let's say ask her some GK questions. So let's see if she can answer that. Alexa, who is the president of India? So it's not
India's president is Ram Nath Kovind.
okay, so we can always keep ourselves updated. The accent doesn't need to be very perfect. She understands, but sometimes if you ask something about Hindi music and rhyme some words, might be that will be more difficult for Alexa. Basically, she does a search for that. You can do all the customizations using the app. For me, it's a nice thing, because using a smartphone, if you're using a smartphone, you have Wi-Fi connection at your home. It's good. Otherwise, it's just a speaker. So better you use a smart internet Wi-Fi connection, so that you can connect Alexa to it. So I hope Amazon has this great product, and we can definitely use it to make our life easier. Apart from that, you can see they have given something like add Alexa to any room, and then designed around your voice. So there are 4 mics. Basically, it can catch up your sound from any part of the room, and as soon as I speak Alexa, she wakes up. Okay, so and then I can ask her, Alexa, what is the meaning of your name? So we'll have a general knowledge now. So we can.
My name Alexa comes from the Library of Alexandria, which stored the knowledge of the ancient world.
So she's very smart. It's kind of encyclopedia. And if you want to just keep it online, that's fine. If you want to just switch it off, you can just switch it off. If I say Alexa, good morning, she will give you some knowledge. But I don't know, depending on the time. I have not tested that option till now. Okay, so we can ask the time also. Alexa, what is the time?
It's 8:12 p.m.
So it's 8:12 p.m. Right now I'm in China, so we have that. We can also make any kind of music, like let's say, Alexa, play today's top hits, and it has heard me, I hope, and then get the music, today's top music. Okay, so basically you can customize it according to your own will.
I don't see the playlist today's top hits.
Okay, So there is no such playlist because I have not done that setup. So that has to be done, and that can be done from the app. So that's all for today. I hope you've liked the product. The setting up is not very difficult. You need to just use your username and password, the alexa.amazon.com, and then you can log in and you can set up the Wi-Fi. And as I said, if you're connecting it, you should have internet on your laptop, as well as you should be able to connect Wi-Fi of your laptop with the Alexa, because it has got inbuilt Wi-Fi. So I hope you liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos. Bye.